Ever wondered if ChatGPT is still king or if DeepSeek is about to steal the crown? Let's find out right now. Alright, let's get stuck in. On the left, we've got ChatGPT, the AI everyone's heard of, developed by OpenAI. On the right, meet DeepSeek, the up-and-coming challenger making waves. First speed test, we'll throw the same question at both. Summarize the latest advancements in quantum computing. ChatGPT responds in just under 3 seconds, concise and well-structured. DeepSeek? About 4 seconds, but with a bit more technical jargon. Good if you're after depth, but maybe less readable. Next, accuracy. For fact-checking, we ask, who invented the World Wide Web? Both nail it, Tim Berners-Lee, spot on. But ChatGPT adds extra context, mentioning the year and its impact. DeepSeek sticks to the basics. Which you prefer depends on whether you want detail or brevity. How about versatility? We throw in a creative prompt. Write a limerick about AI taking over the world. ChatGPT serves up a clever, playful rhyme. DeepSeek? Decent, but a bit stiff. Clearly stronger with technical tasks than banter. And for interface, both are slick, but ChatGPT feels just a tad more intuitive. DeepSeek's customization options are brilliant if you love tinkering. So is there a winner? If you want speed, creativity, and user-friendliness, ChatGPT still leads. But if you're after hardcore tech detail and custom features, keep your eye on DeepSeek. Let us know which you'd pick in the comments. Tech giants or bold newcomers. Cheers for watching!